Are you going to give me the rings again? You're a little ham. Can you give me the rings again, Jess? Let's put the rings on here. Here's the blue ring. Here's the green ring. See, she takes them off and she offers them to me again. Because it's really sweet. She likes to give me the rings. Get the blue ring too?